Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share with you the secret recipe to becoming a Filipino millionaire before you hit the big three. 0. Yup, it's possible. So buckle up and let's dive right in. First off, it's all about mindset. Believe you can and you're halfway there. You need to think like a millionaire. Embrace a growth mindset and be ready to hustle, even when the going gets tough. Remember, comfort zones are where dreams go to die. Next, education. No, I don't just mean school. Sure, getting a degree helps, but what really matters is continuous learning. Read books, attend seminars, follow successful people online. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more you grow. Okay, now let's talk money. Saving is great, but investing is key. Start by saving a portion of your income regularly. Then, invest wisely. Stocks, mutual funds, real estate, pick what suits you best. Remember, the earlier you start, the better. Networking. Surround yourself with successful people. Your network is your net worth. Join groups, attend events, and don't be shy to put yourself out there. Connections can open doors you didn't even know existed. Let's not forget about multiple income streams. Don't rely on just one job or source of income. Side hustles, freelancing, online businesses, diversify your income. This reduces risk and increases opportunities for growth. Now, entrepreneurship. Starting your own business can be a game changer. Find a niche, solve a problem, and provide value. Yes, it's risky, but with great risk comes great reward. Learn from failures and keep pushing forward. Debt management is crucial. Avoid unnecessary debt and pay off any existing debts quickly. High-interest debt is a money killer, so tackle it head-on. Financial discipline is non-negotiable. Lastly, stay healthy. Physical and mental health are your greatest assets. Exercise, eat well, and take care of your mental well-being. A healthy body and mind boost productivity and creativity. To wrap it up, becoming a millionaire before 30 isn't easy, but it's definitely doable. It takes hard work, smart choices, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. So, start today, stay focused, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on crushing it in life. See you next time.